Hello and welcome to Chaos Network. I'm Ben. Today we're going to be teaching you how to install Ubuntu 18.04 onto VirtualBox. We would recommend you doing this on a actual VPS or a dedicated server down the track. I do know there's some host providers that don't automatically do this, but most of them nowadays do. This is mostly aimed towards people who'd like to create a Minecraft server at their house and use what we're using today, which is Ubuntu. Um, this entire video is going to be part of a large series, where we're going to teach you guys how to actually create a Minecraft server, and then take it one step further and teach you how to actually create a Minecraft network. A Minecraft network is where there's multiple Minecraft servers acting together to create one seamless transitional Minecraft server that can support thousands of players simultaneously. Um, We'll also be going into plugins, which can be used to help aid in your administration and productivity of the actual server itself. And we also will be covering a little bit of control panel, which will be Multicraft. We'll teach you how to install it. We'll also teach how to install a Minecraft server on Ubuntu through Multicraft. So hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get into the video. Okay guys, well, as you can see, I got my VirtualBox up. Like I said before, I would probably say if you're going to aim for a large gaming community, I would probably recommend that you put this on a dedicated server hosted in a data center in various places around the world. There are many data centers, so I'm not going to start naming off data centers here, data centers there. I'm personally in Australia, so what I know and what you know are two different things depending on where you're situated around the world. So today, for today's purposes, we're going to be using VirtualBox to install the actual operating system on. This process will be very similar if you actually have solid actual hardware. So if you're setting Ubuntu up at your home, same sort of thing. Just skip the VirtualBox. Anyway, so today we'll be going to click New Machine. I'm going to name this machine. Okay, just going to put 10 gigs of RAM on this for now. This is where we're just going to create a disk image. Again, people with physical hardware don't have to worry about this step. We're just installing the actual virtual machine itself. Okay, now those who are using VirtualBox, you'll also need to download the operating system. Well, everyone will be actually. You'll have to download the operating system 18.04. We'll have the link for that in the description below. We recommend you taking it from variable sites. I'm not going to upload this for you to download because you can download the legitimate copy for free through their actual websites. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go into the actual machine itself. Just boot it up. And for those who haven't had it, you'll have to select the actual disk image and then click Add, find your disk image, paste this in there. And then once you've done that, select. Okay, it doesn't seem to work for me right now. I'll just reboot it really quick. There we go. It's booted up with Ubuntu. Just loading. Get rid of this message so you can see. Okay, right now Ubuntu is actually just opening up on the actual machine itself. It's got some packages, it's got to unpack. That way you can use the actual software to install it. Ubuntu's installation is rather straightforward. You just go through a GUI, select the options that you personally will use, and so this is going to be a straight through type of tutorial. I speak English. I'm going to be using English with this. Okay, read as much as you like. You can update to the new installer. Okay, US keyboard layout. Just gonna let that all stay. Proxy address, if you're using proxies, you can go put yours own in. Again, it's just rather straightforward. Okay, select the device, add partition. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to put my name. Server's name is going to be YouTube, in this case only. YouTube trial. You can add your own name for this. Pick a username. For this case, we're going to leave it as root. Never mind. I'll change it to YouTube. Create a password. Again. Yep. And the SSH keys, I'll go back to that. Where it says import SSH identity keys, you can actually import SSH keys that will help you secure your actual operating system itself from other people. Just want a bare bones. For Minecraft, we're going to be using Java, which we'll be installing ourselves. You also need a web hosting software of some sort. The options are Apache, and they also have Nginx. We'll be using Nginx for this setup. This video is going to be quite short. We're just showing you the basics of installing Ubuntu, which we're nearly done. Okay, so the installation has been completed. Now you just have to reboot the system. This shouldn't take too very long. I'm just gonna make sure that's detached. Beautiful. And we're booting into Ubuntu for the first time. You're gonna want to keep all this information. So I'm gonna quickly copy that. Channel mining ghost. Yeah, so shut up. Okay, so you want to copy down all that information. This is all the information you need for security in terms of your operating system. It's good just to keep that safe. And we're done. Yeah, now I can log in with the password I created, and voila. So there we are, guys. So as you can see, we got Ubuntu set up. The next episode, we're going to be installing actual Minecraft on this, just an initial Minecraft server, just to test to make sure the machine is able to run it. We'll be installing the essentials like Java. So this will also be used if you just want to run a single Minecraft server. the next tutorial will be for you. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Again, I'm Ben. Welcome to Chaos Network. If you liked everything, just don't feel free to subscribe and put the little bell icon to catch the next video, and we'll see you then. Bye.